Hello everyone, good afternoon. I hope you are doing well this afternoon. I hope everyone is well this afternoon. How are you guys? How are you? Sorry about that. How is everyone doing? New York opening. I think it's been a long weekend. It should be deemed as long weekend, right? So we shall see what this long weekend has for us, and then we take it from there. Gold, first trade, first setup. This one, 2 attempts failed. Went into profit like a screenshot. View once. Why it's view once. That's it. And then this one here, the second entry on the downside is very much okay. It's looking great there. Gold is looking great from this downside, but initially my buy zone is above that level, above 4,540 there. That's when I'll be looking for perfect buys. How is the sound? I hope the sound is okay. So we'll see how these buys go. And these ones, unfortunately, I took them alone. I didn't tell anybody. Understand? So they are of no use. And then this is NASDAQ. NASDAQ, I'm looking to sell anywhere where the price is sitting. Right there, this area here. I'm looking to sell, but our price might shoot to 30,000 first before going down, right? But I'm looking to sell this. What I don't like is this could be a structure strengthening for a rally up. So taking a trade right now is almost like a premature trade. If I hold trades that I was holding yesterday, that could be better. Still targeting the CV is my initial target. And then as of US30, almost below the key zone there, going towards the CV. I'm expecting this thing to dump. If it doesn't, I'll sell again above there. So we'll wait. I'm not gonna buy. Patience is key here. We'll see how that goes. Okay, let me check my NASDAQ. Right. NASDAQ could be okay for sales, but if you enter it now, premature almost. I mean, if I enter this trade right now, I'm exposing myself to this area of interest. Market might just want to fill this area of interest. This area of interest here. You don't want to risk it like that, yeah? You wait for it to maybe even give us a week, and then that week we sell from there. But if you have enough money, but if you can take it on micro again in this area, I think that could be best. Targeting the CV. Okay, thank you. This is what I'll be looking for. It is best to watch how the New York is going to open like 4 minutes after, and then you take a decision. You understand? Could melt down, could rally all the way up after a long weekend. We don't know. Understand? Otherwise, do not forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Right, good afternoon. Good afternoon, RT. Good afternoon, everybody. Velo, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Okay, 5 minutes towards the opening. Right there. This guy is pushing very well, eh? Very, very well. Very, very well. That's it. Michelle, good afternoon. How are you? And then quick announcement, Bonang Financial Institute, out of the 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, we decided to go for a discount. Currently, the mentorship that could have costed you 15,000 is selling at only 1,000 Rand. Valid until 3 June, my birthday. That's the extension you guys have. So if you want to be part of BFI members, make sure you are part and parcel. Part and parcel. Is it part and parcel? You are not a parcel now. So that's it. You text 1,000 lifetime mentorship 640457581. That gets you access to the mathematicians group course. Someone was asking me, do we get the same package as everyone? Yes, you do, because you are always here. Some of them are not here, so you are always on YouTube, you are always watching, you are dedicated, so that's your discount. It's yours. Don't even go and give it to somebody who is not on this platform. So that's exactly what I can tell you. Good afternoon, Mom. How are you, Mom Nelsiwe? So you text 1,000 lifetime mentorship to that number 064 045 7581. Only on WhatsApp, right? Text that number, 1,000 Rand lifetime mentorship. That message takes you straight to getting signed up. Do not be late. The number will be out in 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 0. Okay. And please, guys, do not forget to like and share. It's time for us to push this. I'm expecting this thing to dump anyway. You never know. These are the markets. They've got their own way of doing things. if they can dump and give me something there, it means I'm rich. Richard Mill. Or means Richard Mill. Richard Mill. That's it. Richard Mill. Let's see what it does, this thing. Give it demo account. Let's see what it does. Okay, allow me to open NASDAQ this side and then US30 on the other side. We want to focus on the indices today after a long time without the New York opening. So, all right, markets are going to be open in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Welcome to New York, guys. New York open. Welcome to New York. Look at that. Look at that. And then NASDAQ wants to skyrocket. Crazy. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Okay, I'm going to remove this one a little bit. This is yesterday's trade. I want to see shorts there, and then targeting this area of interest, the CV. Let's see. My friend, don't fly away with our money here. This one dumped a bit. This could be deemed as a gap filled, but CV should be touched. So we shall see. We shall see. Where's my phone? 1 minute after. That's NASDAQ. Come on, bro. US30. No trade on US30. Damn, look at that. Oh. Hey. There. NASDAQ marepalwa ke nguvira so. Remember the buy that I refused, the B horror. If you are here, I said if we take that one, we might come back in here. So then we might buy from here or somewhere here. For now, we wait. We wait. I expected this guy to dump as well. We'll see what it does. I want to check a slim down. It's us. This is where I am much interested in. Otherwise, how are you guys doing? Are you well? Are you well? Afternoon. How are you? Yeah, the CV is the magnet. I'm expecting NASDAQ to do the same. I couldn't do US30 because it left me, you understand? So at least if New York had retested here, then I would have sold, just like what NASDAQ did. So NASDAQ is giving me a perfect area there. I would expect it to dump further, at least to the key zone and below. Then I'm okay. I will be calling it a week. What else do I need? I don't have any link to the live show, guys. We use only one YouTube channel, so which means these members, some of them, they didn't even subscribe. I must send them the link again. Let me check. Maralu naban. Baba mugibo. Arna libo serial Ramaphosa. Baba it the VIP. Come on, bro. NASDAQ, come on. Come on, NASDAQ, come on. That's a beautiful trade, isn't it? Nah, my guys, I shouldn't be always sending you the links. I have a life to live also. Hi, Laron. Something else. Every time, bro. I always say, click on the link. That same link is the same. Every time YouTube, I announce Namarak Said. Maybe I need to hire a PA. Why not let someone go rumel videos? You are happy with NASDAQ? Welcome, my brother. Thank you for the video about Top Step. Thank you for that subscription. You see, the more you subscribe, the more information I give you. You understand? The more you subscribe, I literally noticed that I'm now a content creator now. The more we are live, mona computer runa ya team. Imagine, Jesus. Okay, we are on. I mean, the more we do live, the more money we make. That's what I noticed. So now we are going to stick to live stream all the way. I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. So I'm up 1.2 Laruna. I won 1.2. Get about a 7 down. Then I close my week. What Lalohan? Close my weekend. If this thing can do this, fun. Fun Bamui. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. We want to see that TP being smashed like nobody else's business. W, yes, but not yet. You see, it's worth celebrating when we are here, Laron. What do you think? When we are here, hi, we can even dance now. You understand? But as long as we are still there, Trump can say anything, then we still. But I love the CV. CV has always been a powerful magnet. This thing, one would say it's an imbalance being filled, right? What's the time now? Come on, NASDAQ, come on. Otherwise, guys, how are you doing? How is everyone doing? How are you doing? Is everybody okay? Who is getting a lawsuit? When are you appearing in court? Who is getting a lawsuit? When are you appearing in court? You have got advocate on eye here. Why am I shiny? Is it a glow? Guys, this thing is not doing what I expected. Let's see what this one does. Hey, look at that push, my friend. If I didn't come out of my gold, I could be sitting very far. But it's fine. Pelaniki rana 18 locked right now. They were going to call me and say, my friend, whatever you are doing, please stop it. That's a beautiful trade for me. And unfortunately, I called it myself alone. I'm looking for 4,540 to be broken first, and then maybe we can look for setups there. And then we have this guy here who is of our interest today. What's your weekly target? I don't have a target, my brother. If the market wants to give me more, I take. If it wants to give me less, I also accept. I don't do targets. Do you have targets? Do you have targets? I don't have targets. I don't. My friend, if I see a setup that says let's get that 1 trillion, we go in. If we see a setup that says let's take that 10,000, we go in. You understand? Yeah, so I don't have targets, guys. I don't do targets. Yeah, I don't do targets. As long as I'm eligible for a withdrawal, like why I withdraw. As for targets, they limit me or they cause me to make some funny mistakes. So we don't do targets here. We enjoy ourselves throughout, especially on a funded account. It's open for the sky is the limit. You get the point? Yeah, the sky is the limit. Mom Nelsie, did you take this sale with me? And you are my mother. Whenever I'm stuck, you always send me e-wallet. So I must always check. Are we eating or it's a long story? Why are we not eating? Why are we not eating? US30 not yet. You see the issue here, Larona, is that gap on top. So if we had enough volume, we could have just dumped straight to CV. But that gap on top, they're still calling for this market. We'll see how it goes. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much for the likes, guys. Make sure you like that stream all the time. Make sure you like that stream all the time. Make sure you like the stream. Tickets. Who subscribed on? Okay, this is how it is. If you join the Discord, you must send one of our admin your username on Discord so that you can have access to the full potential of the Discord. The Discord has got paid members section and public members section. If you are a public, you just become a community explorer. All you do is to see our community chat, but you cannot see the signals, you cannot see the courses, you cannot see anything. But if you are a member, you have paid, you verified your payment, just send your username to any of our admins on the group, then you will be verified into BFI member within the Discord. I hope this makes sense. So there are two sections, public and paid members. That's what people must understand. That's what you guys must understand. Okay, arriba. Atsena hone hane. Ke ngo. So much is due. If you do. It's not bad. Utsuswa ngato. Ciao. Too much money, my friend. In fact, it should be above here, but let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. As this is paper trading, it's not real money. Real money is on the other account, not this one. Paper. I love it if it does that loud. Yeah, you win. I wanted it to go to my exact entry. Yeah, like that. My boy. Kabaso. Paper trading means practice. You understand? That's what is happening here. So you must relax. This guy is still pushing. Good. Good. Let's go back to our NASDAQ might be looking for a 30,000 price. So we'll see. If it fills that gap, we are in again. This one I want. We are in again. DJ is making you dance. Enjoy yourself, Michelle. Enjoy yourself. Continue liking the stream. Really much appreciated. All right. Push it right in my one. Come on, NASDAQ. That was a very strong rejection, my friend. I'm telling you. Very, very strong. Meanwhile, this side on US30 is still dumping. Very, very strong one there. Okay. And this explains the reason why I said the perfect area to sell from is actually where this market is sitting. Where this market is sitting here, that's where it's safe to sell. It means this is drawdown. We shall see. This guy, not yet. All right, NASDAQ pushing up, guys. If I had to sell, I would sell to 29.83. 29.83. Oh, that's too tight. 29.837. Okay, 837. Back here. We'll see. I'm still in, my brother. I'm still in. These numbers, they mustn't cause you to panic. This is paper trading. Paper. It's not real, man. Okay, US30 has not yet reached our CV yet. NASDAQ has reached our selling zone. Phase 2 is about to play out there. I think on the next hour, as we close there, that should be phase 2 playing. If you are within our mathematics, this should be phase 2 almost game playing around there. So we expect a strong dip. Could give us a small week, but we expect a strong dip. We'll see. Screen is on because of this. Right. How is the DJ? Is the DJ still DJ? Must be enjoying yourself. I think around sun. Okay. 10 minutes to go. US30 dipped in within the gap between 50,835 and 50,587. We'll see. NASDAQ looking for all-time highs, guys. Could be a 30,000 mark. It's either now or never. Right, hello. Either now or never. Screen says it's not looking clean, right? Why am I not liking my screen locks? Let's go, NASDAQ. It's busy negotiating. It's busy negotiating either to make us rich or poor. Look at that US30. Come on, bro, come on. Guys, don't forget to like. Yes, NASDAQ RT. We must use that magnet. It must go down, my friend. But we shall see how it goes. I don't even see that side. Okay. That was a good one, eh? What would you have done? Like sold there, targeting the CV. Could have worked there. You want to buy. If you want to see that these indices, they behave the way they want, I am expecting this CV to be attempted, but that one is saying you are lying. You're saying you are lying. We don't do that here. Come on, bro, come on. I think this is a W trade. Wait. This one is looking good. It must just dump there. I think if it loses there, it will never hold back up again. Motogana cruiser. Look at that. Want this kind of thing? Nonsensical. There are sometimes you see these higher time frames, they might not give you entry. I want to M15 it gave us a sell. Why one? That's M15. That's a sell clean. Break, close below, enter, boom. Why one? H1 here, no. No. I think we will see what it does. NASDAQ is just misbehavior, my friend. We'll see what for. Beautiful USD. Yeah, but we didn't take it. Myself, I didn't take it. I just didn't. I want this guy. Very, very interesting for me. You mean NASDAQ, but it's closing. US30 is closing that gap. NASDAQ failed, yeah. NASDAQ just left it, but it's not over. Small NASDAQ, we are still in. I would love it if we close bearish on this candle, then I'm good. Did you sell this thing? Myself, I wouldn't sell this thing. You know why? Because of this. I can't. I would have loved to see it filling this area like what NASDAQ did, like fill this area, then we come down. Yeah, so it was a tough decision to take, though I was watching it, but it was a tough decision to take. This guy here should dump. But NASDAQ is refusing. Is refusing to play that criteria that we are looking for. But we shall see in the next 4 minutes. You don't give up early. I don't want to add my trades here, love. I don't want to add my trades here. But it was going to. Why would I want to decide for me? Why are you deciding for me? Why are you deciding for me, my brother? Allow me to trade my plan. Come on, NASDAQ. NASDAQ, guys, is still pushing above that area. Right, should fail there, should fail. Come on, bro, come on. Do something for us. About to buy USD, I know I'll enjoy. Enjoy yourself. I am not gonna buy USD anytime soon until we reach 50,000 for 40. You see, if we get here around, that's where I will buy from. I want a NASDAQ, but it has filled that gap now. It has 2 minutes to decide. 2 minutes to decide. That rejection was a bad one. See this one? A very bad one. Should reject it hard there. Serious trend to the down. Bam, bam. Hello everyone, please do not forget to like our stream. Don't forget to like our stream. This one. Something else. 1 minute. Okay, NASDAQ is at a phase 2 criteria, guys. All of you know what I'm talking about. If you didn't have a chance to sell, that's where you sell from. Right there. What's happening? Is it the network? Right there. Should be able to go down. Boom, 4 o'clock. It broke out, guys. That's just an opening. Let's see. Let's check out NASDAQ right now. I mean US30, sorry. Okay. It's a good one. That's a missed call. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, NASDAQ. $30,000 price hit, is it? Go. On futures, we are at 30,000 right now. I want. New all-time high price recorded. This one, no trade as of yet. Let's check what gold is doing. Gold. It went back down. I want. These buy setups are not strong. I expected them. Areas of interest is 50,440 on US30. NASDAQ sitting at the key zone area of interest. Fresh sales in that zone will look like. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on, bro. Okay. All right. That's a drop there. Below that line, the more we dump, the better. I know this is where most people buy from. Most of the times they buy from that area, but could be a trap, could be a good idea. But for me, I prefer looking for sales on NASDAQ. Right, Commit Capital 30% discount if you use BFI 30 code. All right, 45 minutes done, guys, on our stream. But this is still the same idea. I'm holding NASDAQ. I'm holding from here. I'll take another fresh trade right there. My target initially here is going to be downside 29,423 there, and 29,481, which is my CV. That's what I'll be expecting this market to do. And then I'll give you an update on a stream tomorrow in the morning. Those that are within the group, I'll keep on posting the update about this trade. As of US30, I am not buying as of yet, but I'll be looking for buys if we reach these areas. Even 50,291 there, that's when I'll look for buys. NASDAQ should start to decline from that zone. Relevant areas for sales, I'm holding them. I'm holding my sales. I'm not changing my mind no matter what. Other than that, guys, tomorrow my stream is exactly what time? 15 minutes to 9. 15 minutes to 9. That's exactly our time in the morning. So make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification button. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for having me in here. We keep on holding this NASDAQ. It's gonna come down. It's gonna come down with serious strength. With serious strength. Other than that, have yourself a wonderful, beautiful evening ahead. See you on the mentorship, guys. Bye bye.